Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and if this is your first time of watching me, you're absolutely welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this hairstyle on my head right now. My hair is actually dirty right now. I missed my wash day, so I decided to create something simple, a hairstyle that is very simple so I could rock for the week, and I came up with this particular hairstyle you're seeing right now. And so I'm going to be showing you the process and also the products that I used in creating this simple hairstyle. So please stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right down below and let me know what you think of this video, of this hairstyle, in the comment section. So let's move right into the video. So I'm using this Buns Moisture Misting Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to be spraying that all over my hair just to make sure that my hair is soft and easy to work with. And I'm just going to be parting my hair straight all the way to the back, and I'm just going to be plaiting, or let me say braiding, a single braid. Okay, yeah, doing a simple braid all the way to the back. So I'm using this moisturizer from the same Buns Naturals, and I'm just going to be using that to moisturize that single line of hair, and this is just to make the hair soft and easy to braid. And I'm going to be using this Buns Grow Thick Oil just to seal in the moisture in the hair. So I'm just combing that just to get rid of any tangles or any knots that could be there, just to make it smooth for braiding. And then I'm going to be braiding all the way to the back as you are seeing it right now. So after braiding that part of my hair, I'm just going to be moisturizing this section of my hair to prepare it for the puff, and I'm just moisturizing with the same Moisture Mist Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just doing that to make sure that that part is well moisturized. And I'm just going to be sealing the moisture in with the Grow Thick Oil from the same Buns Natural, and I'm just going to be using my hands to detangle it. So I'm going to be using this Gorilla Snot Gel just to lay my edges, just to make sure that my edges is well laid and smooth. So I'm using the soft brush just to gather my hair together, just to make sure that it is well well laid and very smooth. So I'm using a strand of Mali hair to pull my hair into a nice puff, very tight but not very firm, but not too tight, to prevent my hair from breaking at the edges, but it's really firm. So that's just what I'm doing right now, and I just did the same thing for the second section. I'm just using this toothbrush to smoothing my edges, make sure everything is well laid, nice and smooth. And I'm just going to be using my hand to adjust the puff just to make sure that they're of the right shape and right size. And for the braid, I'm just going to be pinning the hands of the braid into just as you are seeing right now, just to make sure that it's not dangling at my nape or something like that. Okay, so I'm using this scarf just to make my edges lay further, just to make sure that it is really neat, because I am a sucker for really neat hair. So after a while, I'm taking down the scarf, and as you can see, the edges are actually really nice now. And so I'm just going to be using this white tooth comb just to make sure that my puff is actually very beautiful, very nice, of the appropriate shape and size. I'm just using my fingers just to shapen it. So I'm using this particular earring. It's actually a earring, so I'm just using that just at the front of my hair, just to look like all these Fulani or Egyptian princesses or queens, I don't know, but just to make sure that this hair is not just too boring. And I'm using earrings too, just 3 earrings as you're seeing it, just to make it look beautiful. And I added some earrings just to the puff as you're seeing it, just to make sure that everything is really nice and beautiful. So let me know what you think of this video in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.